Hi, I'm Amy and I'm a marketing executive at PCL. PCL designs and manufactures compressed air products and tire inflation equipment. These are used in garages and tyre shops, also in different factories and aviation. So marketing is understanding and predicting your customers' wants and needs, and then based on this you develop some ideas and strategies to meet these needs in order to increase sales and brand awareness. So in my role, some of the things I'm responsible for is planning exhibitions, maintaining our website and also our social media, also PR and advertising, and SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's where you improve your website to help increase your visibility on Google. When I finished A-levels, I decided to study marketing at Sheffield Hallam University. My degree is what they call a sandwich degree. So you do 2 years at uni and then you do a year in placement and then you go back to complete your final year. So for my year in industry, I was an intern at PCL. I found my placement year to be very beneficial because it allowed me to gain broad experience in marketing, which helped me determine what area of marketing I most enjoy, but also develop my skills and knowledge, especially in software that I wouldn't have used at university. I could then put this experience on my CV, which would then help me when I finished my degree. So fortunately, after my placement, I was asked to stay part-time while I finished my degree and then was offered a full-time role once I finished. PCL has continued to support my studies after I completed my degree. So I've just finished the CIM Level 6 diploma. This diploma is a lot more practical than what we did at university. And if you are interested in marketing, I would recommend looking at the Chartered Institute of Marketing. So I really enjoy the creative aspects, so coming up with some new ideas and creating content. And it's great when you share that content, especially on like social media, for example, and you see people start to engage and enjoy that content. But also I believe it's really important to not only enjoy your job, but the company you work for. So I work in a very supportive team. My manager's really supported me over the last 5 years, and I've developed a lot of skills, especially like personal skills like confidence. So 5 years ago, I definitely wouldn't have been doing this video today. Some of the skills that my job requires is definitely creativity and attention to detail, especially when you're coming up with new ideas and creating content, but also analytical thinking, as you need to analyse data to spot trends and opportunities. So, for example, we analyse data from our website to help understand our visitors and how we can improve their experience. So in the manufacturing sector, there's lots of different jobs, including designing, machining, assembling and shipping products, but also support services like customer service, sales and marketing, and many more. So marketing's about understanding and predicting your target audience's needs and wants. So the task that I'm going to set you is to research examples when a brand has understood its target audience and when it's gone really well, and when they've not understood their target audience and it's gone horribly wrong.